Welcome to your channel. I'm Derek. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to create captivating YouTube videos without spending countless hours on production? What if I told you there's a way to automate the entire process, from keyword research to video creation, using just two powerful AI tools? Imagine having all the heavy lifting done for you, allowing you to focus on what matters most: growing your channel and connecting with your audience. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step with TubeMagic and Pictory, the ultimate tools for YouTube automation. But this isn't just a tutorial. I'm going to demonstrate every step, live, so you can see how to take your ideas from concept to a fully optimized YouTube video. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these tools will transform the way you approach content creation. And here's the best part. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create professional, high-impact videos without ever recording a single clip. Stick around, because I'm also inviting you to an exclusive free training that reveals how to monetize your channel with ease. Ready to unlock the secrets of YouTube automation? Let's dive in. Tool 1. TubeMagic. Step 1. Keyword research. Let's do it together. We need to find the best keywords to optimize our content. Let's explore TubeMagic's keyword research feature. I'll type in a broad keyword like YouTube automation. TubeMagic displays search volume, competition level, and keyword effectiveness scores. For example, it shows that "What is YouTube automation?" has a lower competition level but still gets over 20,000 searches per month. By selecting the right keywords, we can target both a broad audience and a niche-specific audience, increasing our video's reach and engagement. Lastly, save your selected keywords for the next steps in your video creation process. By laying this groundwork with effective keyword research, you'll ensure that your content is optimized for discoverability, paving the way for increased views and engagement on your channel. Step 2. Crafting engaging video titles. Now that we have our target keyword, we need a compelling title. TubeMagic's title generator provides high-converting title suggestions. I'll input YouTube automation into the title generator. The tool suggests 3 optimized video titles: 10 must-know tips for YouTube automation success, how to automate your YouTube channel like a pro, YouTube automation, the ultimate beginner's guide. I'll go with the first option since it's concise, engaging, and optimized for high CTR click-through rate. Testing different titles over time helps maximize visibility. Step 3. Script writing. After you've crafted an engaging title for your video, the next critical step is to insert it into the script writer feature of TubeMagic. This process is essential for maintaining a focused narrative and ensuring your content aligns with your title, which is key for viewer engagement and SEO. To begin, access the script writer tool in TubeMagic and enter your video title. This title will serve as a foundation for your script, guiding the flow of your content and reminding you to address the topics that are most relevant to your audience. By anchoring your script to the title, you create a coherent structure that keeps viewers interested from start to finish. Tool 2. Pictory. Step 1. Select script to video feature. Next, let's turn our script into a video using Pictory. I'll copy the script we created for my selected title from TubeMagic. In Pictory, I'll paste the script into the script to video text box. Pictory's AI immediately analyzes the text and starts generating a storyboard based on the script content. Step 2. Customize visuals and elements. Now it's time to review and fine-tune the visuals. Pictory suggests stock footage that matches the script. For example, as you can see, there are some clips that we can change to something more interesting. Furthermore, I'll adjust text overlays to ensure they're clear and well-timed with the narration. Adding engaging elements like animations and icons enhances viewer retention. Step 3. review audio and voiceover. Next, let's ensure the audio is spot on. I'll choose background music that complements the tone of our video. For voiceover, I'll select a natural-sounding AI voice and adjust the pace to keep it engaging. Step 4. Preview and finalize. Before finalizing, let's preview the video. I'll check the timing of visuals, audio, and text to ensure everything flows smoothly. Any adjustments? No problem. I'll tweak them before moving on. Step 5. Download. Finally, let's download the completed video. Now we're ready to upload this polished video to YouTube. Upload and optimize features. Let's not stop at video creation. I'll show you how to upload and optimize this video for maximum impact using TubeMagic. Warp upload. TubeMagic streamlines the upload process, saving time. Optimize titles, descriptions, and tags. I'll refine the title, craft a keyword-rich description, and add relevant tags to enhance discoverability. Are you ready to make money on YouTube without ever recording a video? Join my exclusive free training and learn the exact AI-powered strategies I use to create high-impact faceless videos with complete automation. You don't need to film, edit, or even have prior experience. Just follow this step-by-step system to turn AI-generated content into a profitable YouTube channel. Plus, I'll show you how to optimize and monetize your videos for maximum earnings. Spots are limited, so don't miss out. Click the link below to reserve your spot and start your YouTube automation journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps this channel grow and reach more creators like you. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials, tips, and strategies for mastering YouTube automation. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, with the right tools and a clear strategy, your YouTube dreams are closer than ever. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you in the following video.